Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. If you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you my journey from $0 to $1,000 per day. So click the subscribe button and bell icon button below so you get notified when I create new videos for this channel. Today I am discussing very important topic, that is how you can make money online just by watching videos. So in this video I will show you 10 best ways to get paid to watch videos online. So let's get started. The first one on the name of our list is Swagbucks. This is one of the easiest sites to make money online for yourself. You can choose to earn all through the Swagbucks by watching a variety of videos ranging from the world news, sport highlights, and other themed videos. You will often be finding the chances as where you can get paid to watch sponsored videos. Apart from being paid over the watching of the videos, you will also be making money all by surfing the web as well as taking the surveys online and even shopping online. You can redeem your swag bucks or points for gift cards or PayPal cash. It all depends on your choice. With different earning methods, your points add up really quickly. So this is the site, you can join it for free. So now let's move to the second site, that is Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is also taken as one of the best platforms in the shape of sites by which you can get paid by watching videos. This has been taken to be one of the leading Swagbucks alternatives, and apart from watching videos, this site would be giving you the best chance to earn money using completing surveys, playing online games, performing web searches, and signing up for promotional offers. You can earn your first $5 just by signing up. Until now, Inbox Dollars members have earned over $57 million in rewards. I highly recommend this site if you want to earn extra money. The third one in our list is Weagle. Weagle is named out to be one of the easiest ways by which you can watch the favorite TV shows and listen to music. It is very easy to download this app on Android and Apple devices. You just need to tap the app at the time of watching TV or streaming on Netflix, Amazon, or Hulu. You will be getting the chance to earn 1 point per minute plus any bonuses. Some of the shows will be offering you with the 10 times bonuses that would be permitting you to earn the 10 points per minute of viewing. To make watching videos much more fun and interesting, Weagle offer in-show games and opportunities as the way out to interact with your friends to earn even more points. Weagle will offer some of the extra points for the sake of watching new shows in addition to your current favorites. Once you have earned enough points, then you can redeem it for various rewards like gift cards, prizes, music downloads, and more. Weagle users have reportedly earned over $20 million in rewards so far. So next one in our list is Futures Point. Futures Point is also very popular and the most trusted site on the web. It has paid over $5.6 million since the dates of its incorporation. There are tons of ways you can make money online, and you can also watch videos to earn points which you can later convert them for different rewards, and you can get cash back offers on different stores. It is also highly recommended platform. You can also work on your desktop, or you can download their app on your mobile. Even you can convert their points for PayPal cash and bitcoins. The next one in our list is Netflix. We all know that Netflix is named out to be one of the most well known and the popular subscription video streaming services. It has been periodically involved regarding hiring the taggers, by which they can watch and tag their programming to provide accurate recommendation to fellow subscribers. The tagger's job do not come up very often, but you can periodically check their job boards time to time and start watching their movies and shows and make sure they are categorized properly. There is no doubt it is a great opportunity. There is problem currently. I am not able to log in, not able to open this site. So let's move to our sixth site, that is Perk.tv. This site is subsidiary of Omegle and is somehow taken to be the better option if you want to make money watching short videos. Some of the best ways by which you can earn with Perk are watching videos and app trailers, as well as watching popular videos and answering pop quizzes. You can even earn money by performing web searches on Perk and also by shopping online. All of those tasks can reward you in the form of perks or points. Those perks can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, merchandise, or you can donate to charity. You can also get the chance to earn with the perk tokens that can be redeemed to earn into sweepstakes. The next one in our list is Quick Rewards. It also allows you to make some of the money by watching videos and completing other online tasks. There are so many of the people from the side of the online community that hence prefer with the quick rewards because their membership is open to the residents of the United States, Canada, and the United Kingdom. You are also left with the option as for where you can sign up for the additional money making opportunities, including at least 3 daily surveys, reading emails, and a daily shopping opportunity. This would let you earn at least 25% cashback as well. Points can be redeemed for PayPal Cash as well as gift cards to your favorite restaurants and stores. The number 8 on our list is paid2youtube.com. You will be able to earn money for watching YouTube videos posted on their website. The rate per video is very small, but if you are addicted to YouTube videos, then no problem, you are watching it anyway. If you desire to maximize your earning potential, then in that case, just take the time to rate videos, leave comments, subscribe to YouTube channels, and refer friends to join up as well. When you have earned $10, pay to YouTube will make you pay through the PayPal. Number 9 in our list is apptrailers.com. In this site, all you need is to install an app on your mobile and watch videos. App trailers earn money by displaying an ad show before every video. Those companies pay app trailers to show their ads to the members, and app trailers share this revenue with you. Normally, the length of the video is around 30 seconds, and each ad will also be shown for nearly 10 to 30 seconds. So each video will reward you nearly 5 points, and remember 10 points are equivalent to 1 cent. So if you spend 1 hour on watching videos, then do the math. You can earn up to 300 points, which are approximately equal to 30 cents. So you could earn some good income while watching videos on the app trailers. Once your points reach the specified limit, then you can redeem those points for different rewards. The rewards can be of Amazon gift cards, Footlockers, iTunes gift cards, and Sephora as well. The 10th one in our list is App Nana. This platform will make you pay to download and test different kinds of the apps. You will earn nanas as in favor of each activity completed that can be redeemed for Amazon, iTunes, Google Plays, and Xbox gift cards. So it is also a great site where you can earn money by watching videos. However, it is not as popular as compared to the other sites. So you can use this site to earn few extra bucks per month. So that's all for today. I hope you like my video. If you wanted to make money online using most recommended method, then I have mentioned the link in the description box below. Thank you.